So this is what your 40 million pesos can buy you here at Park McKinley West.
So this is Park McKinley West, a brand new property here in McKinley area. This project is walking distance from BGC. And it also has bi-level mall underneath, so everything is within your reach na. And this is a 2-bedroom. It has a floor area of 110 square meter. It has an additional rooms for maid na pwedeng makonvert sa utility or office area. The number one thing why I love this unit is dahil nga sa kanyang napakaganda at unobstructed view. This unit is facing east morning sun, showcasing the premium view of Antipolo Mountains and some part of Laguna area. This unit is semi-furnished with smart home features. Meron na itong complete set kitchen, complete set toilet and bath, 3 sets of aircon, and napaka-spacious na living area. The mode of payment is you need at least 1.2 million down payment. Also available in cash with 20% discount subject for approval. This unit is perfect for collector, expats, property finder, OFW, and syempre hindi dyan mawawala yung mga investors. To schedule a private tour or schedule an appointment, just comment down below or message me directly. This is Mark, your trusted realtor. Thank you!